All right, so the date is the 23rd of May 2018. And as you might recall, I was looking for a top in Bitcoin right here in this area. Those two bearish bars indicating a move to the downside based on the uptrending slope where you had resistance, 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 resistance. The inability of Bitcoin to actually make a big spike to the upside after the breach of the downtrending channel, gave me clues that we are in fact going to go down soon. I was expecting probably a little bit of a, one more spike to the upside to this area. 1, 2, 3. Instead, we get 3 spikes, but 2 bars next to each other. So for those of you who actually got short in this area, kudos to you. You must be a very happy camper now. And but I'm very wary of bounce to the upside for Bitcoin. What I did was I covered my short just a little bit below 7,900 right here, and we're now bouncing. I'm wary of something like this, a little bit of a recovery for the next hour or two, then a little bit of a lower low, probably to right here, 70, just below 7,800, and a move to the upside. And the reason for that is several reasons actually. First, we already made a very big move to the downside. This is from 8,600 to 7,800. Now it might not look like a lot for Bitcoin. Looking at the huge swings in pricing right here. This was huge moves, 1,700, 6,000, 6,000 to almost 12,000, back down to 9,000 and back up to 2,000. But as you can see, the huge volatility in this area becomes a little bit of a less volatility in this area, and now we are getting even smaller volatility right here. So in fact, this kind of a move for Bitcoin is like $2,000-$3,000. In the past, we may just 1,000 move, but the move right now is much bigger because the volatility is much smaller. And so yeah, I'm wary of a move to the upside. It might never occur. All right, but what I did was I cashed shorts, big parts of them, because I don't want to be riding my shorts to the upside. And also, my target for Bitcoin is right here, just a little bit below 7K. So we are now already 50% down to this area right here. So let's say that you had your 100% shorts right here. You're now 50% down on the way to the target. At least take like 50%. And enjoy the profits. This was a pretty nice move to the downside. So being greedy is a bad idea. We can let's say we get the bounce for one day, maybe we can go as high as 8.2, 8.3. So this will give you, not only you have taken your profits here, but you are going to get another entry right here if the bounce occurs. Let's say the bounce doesn't occur and we just go down. First, I will not regret it. I think that this is the right decision right here. Take some profit off the table. If we go down, so this is the target for the bottom for this move before we actually breach decisively this downtrending line. We move up and probably go to 8K level again. So not only we are already 50% down to the target, not only this is a big move in terms of the current volatility in Bitcoin, but also, there will be another opportunity when we reach this area just below 7K. There will be another bounce and probably we will be in 8K level again. But this time we're not going to go from 8K to 7K. in my opinion, we're going to go from 8K down to 5K. So instead of $1,000 move to the downside, 1,5K a move, we're gonna have 3K move. So the opportunities to short Bitcoin are not over. So yeah, pretty much this is it. Just a little bit wary of a move to the upside. It might be a very short term, a day or two. I will again use timing to get short again if we move up. If we move up, I'll make another update to indicate where I will get short again and add the positions once more. So this is it, and I'm out.